Hello friends, in this video let's see about ring data type. The enum data type which we have seen previously is almost similar to ring data type. So in this video we can also see the difference between these two data types. First, from ring and enum I am selecting text ring control and placing it on the front panel. Similar to enum, to create string list I am doing a right click on this ring control and selecting edit items, so that this box will get open. Here we can give the required strings one by one. I am entering the same strings which I gave for enum and giving add, sub, mul and div. And here we can unselect the sequential values and set the values as we wish. But in enum we don't have this option. In enum these values will get set by itself. So after giving the values, if I click on OK, this string list will get added to the ring control. So I am clicking on OK. And on the block diagram screen, I am placing a case structure. And to its case selector terminal, I am connecting this ring control. So as soon as we connect this ring control to the case selector terminal, the true and false case of the case structure has become numeric values which we have entered parallel to the string. But in enum, when we connect the enum control to the case selector terminal, the true and false case will get replaced with the strings which we have given in the string list. Next, we have to add the cases to this case structure. In ring, we can only add the cases one by one. But in enum, we had add cases for every value option, but here we don't have that option. So now I am adding all the cases one by one by clicking add cases after. In ring control, we can give the undefined string. So we should have a separate default case. But in enum, we can only select the already defined strings from the string list. Next, on the front panel, to display the value of the string in the ring control, I am doing a right click on this ring control, and on visible item, I am selecting digital display so that the values will get displayed near the string. Then to perform all these functions, we have to give two numeric inputs. So on the front panel, I am placing two numeric controls so that these two numeric controls will also get added on the block diagram screen. So next, on the block diagram screen, I am dragging and placing these two numeric controls outer to this case structure, and then I'm connecting these two numeric controls to the end of the case structure. So two terminals has got created on the end of the case structure where we have connected these two controls. Next, on the case structure, I am setting the case as 10, and inside the case structure I am placing an add function. To the input terminal of this add function, I am connecting these two numeric controls, and I am connecting the output of this add function to the other end of this case structure. So here on the case structure, a terminal will get created. At this terminal, I am connecting an indicator to get the output. Next, on the case selector label, I am setting the case value as 20, and inside the case structure, I am placing a subtract function. And to its input terminal, I am connecting the same two numeric controls, and I am connecting the output of this subtract function to the indicator. And then I am changing the case in the case selector label as 30, and inside the case structure I am placing a multiply function. And similarly, to its input terminal we have to connect the numeric control, and I am connecting the output terminal to the indicator. And then after setting the case in the case structure as 40, I am placing a divide function inside the case structure, and then I am doing the same thing as I did for other cases. I am connecting the two numeric controls as input to the divide function, and I am connecting the output terminal of this divide function to the indicator. And then we have to give the function to be performed when default case gets selected, because while using ring control we can give undefined string so that default case may also get selected. So I am setting the case as default, and I am doing a right click on the indicator terminal on this case structure, and I am connecting constant to this terminal and giving 0 in it. So we will get 0 as output whenever default case gets selected. Next, I am giving values in both the numeric controls as 5. And then on the ring control, if I select add and run this program, I will be getting 10 as output. And in this ring control, we can also see the value of the string near to the string. Next, after setting sub in the ring control, and I'm executing this program. Now I'm getting zeros output. Similarly, we can perform multiply and division functions also by selecting the strings from the string list. And while using ring control, we can edit the items in the string list during runtime using property node. And to give undefined string in the ring control, we have to do a right click on this ring control, and if I select allow undefined values, along with the string list we have created, we can see another option called others. We have to click on this others, and now we can enter the undefined strings. I am giving 50 and I am running this program. So now the default case in this case structure will get selected and we are getting zeros output. And again, if I select add in this ring control and run this program, I will be getting 10 as output. So in this video, we have seen about ring data type. In our next video, we can continue with another topic. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and support. Thank you.